In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stretch a picture in Affinity Designer. Before we begin, a quick note on what stretch means here. Stretching changes the dimensions of a picture along one or both axes, so you can make it wider, taller, or both. This is different from simply moving it or rotating it. It's a great way to fit an image into a layout, create a banner, or give a graphic a deliberate elongated look. But be mindful that extreme stretching can distort photos. Start by opening the Affinity Designer app on your computer. Give it a moment to load your workspace. If you already have a document with your picture, make sure that document is visible on your canvas. If it's already open in front of you, you're in the right place and ready to go. The key idea here is that the app needs to be open and your image visible so you can interact with it directly. Next, click on the picture to select it. When it's selected, you'll see a bounding box appear around it with handles along the edges and corners. If you don't see those handles, make sure you're using the Move tool so you can grab the object easily. A clear selection is important because the handles are what you'll use to stretch the picture. You should also notice a thin outline around the image, confirming that Affinity Designer knows exactly which object you want to modify. If you have multiple objects stacked, clicking once selects the top one. Click again, or use the Layers panel to ensure you've got the correct picture highlighted. Now drag the edges of the picture to stretch it. Use a side handle to stretch horizontally or vertically without affecting the other dimension, which is perfect for making it wider or taller. Use a corner handle if you want to adjust both dimensions together, which tends to keep the proportions more natural. Watch the image as you drag and stop when it fits the space you're working with. If your picture is a raster photo, very heavy stretching can make it look soft or pixelated. Making smaller incremental adjustments usually gives better results. Vector graphics, on the other hand, will stay crisp at any size. If you need precision, keep an eye on the dimensions displayed in the interface as you drag, and release the mouse when you reach your target. If something doesn't look right, undo and try a gentler adjustment. That's it. With the app open, the picture selected, and the edges dragged, you've stretched your image in Affinity Designer.